click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy S8. First of all, we need to connect our mobile with Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am going to connect it with Wi-Fi. So I am giving my password over here. You need to install FRP bypass tool in your PC. As you see, just connect it. Then you need to connect your USB cable with it. As I am connecting here with PC, it will install drivers. So first you need to wait to install driver, then click on bypass FRP. It will show a pop-up message on your screen. If this tool doesn't work for you, you need to disable driver signature, then restart your PC. Hopefully it will work for you. Now click on view and it will let you go to Google Chrome. Unplug the USB cable. Now we just click on accept and continue. No thanks. Now we are in browser, so you need to just search for FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Now we will click on the first link, faisalmobile.com. Open it and now click on settings app, and we can check here what Android version is here and what's its security patch. So it's February 2020. Go back again to website and you need to download TechnoCare setting. So here is the TechnoCare setting. Click on it and download it. It will take a little bit time, depends on your internet speed. Give permission, continue, OK, and it will let you go to the download. You can click here and you can see here it is downloading. Our file is already downloaded here. Click on it, give permission, and you need to install it. Install, and it will take a little bit time here, so wait for to finish it, then we do our next step. And now click on done and go back again, back to website, or you can write simply FRP Faisal and go to the website. As you can see, now again click on settings app and go to the scroll down and find security, biometric and security. Click on it. Then you need to other security settings, then device admin, disable find my device, go back and then find apps. Here are the apps. Click here and you need to disable the Google Play services. Simply disable it. Now go back again and you need to click on accounts and backup. Click here, accounts, click on accounts and add account. Here you can see Google, the old one. Click on it and give your any Gmail ID or password. So I am giving my Gmail ID here, and you can give your Gmail ID and password. That's it. Now we are almost done here. Now it's signing in. Our account is signed in. Just go back and apps, and enable the Google Play services which we disabled before. Now go to the setting, security and biometrics, and enable the, here are the other security settings, device admin apps, find my device on, and that's all. We are done. We can go back, or simply you can restart your mobile and it will let you go to bypass the FRP lock. It's almost done, but don't skip the video. There is one important thing left, so keep watching. Our phone is going to start up, so wait for it to start up, and I will set up it in front of you. If you are new at my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I make fast forward videos so we can finish it fastly. I come back to you when it finish. Now our phone is ready to use, and it's almost done here. You just go to about, and you can see here it's Android version. It's all done. Now we need to go to apps, and we need to uninstall the TechnoCare settings which we installed before, so we can use it smoothly. Just uninstall the TechnoCare setting, and that's all. Now our phone is completely bypassed. You can use it freely. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.